Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Dharma. Congratulations. You are on the path of fulfilling your highest purpose. You are realizing why you came here, and you're ready to share your gifts in a bigger way. Share your unique gifts. We need you. Listen to the things that are whispering to your soul. When faced with new situations or people, don't compare yourself, your life, or your place to theirs. Instead, say, "Interesting." This allows your mind to be open instead of closed off in self-pity. All possibilities are as open to you as they are to others. Woman of Cups, the Queen of Cups. Like the seashell, lotus, and cup, you are receptive to life. Let the beauty of life fill your heart. Show your gratitude for life by celebrating love, reverence, and bliss. My turn shall also come. I sense the spreading of a wing. Try to name something that excites you about the coming weeks. Appreciate your ability to find joy in your dreams. The Fool card. You're at a new beginning. With enthusiasm, innocence, pure potential, take risks, stay open. The Fool shows no fear. He is full of joy and accepts the world. Take a leap of faith. Trust your instincts. Only choose things that speak to your soul. Mindfulness. Think lightly of yourself and deeply of the world. Let go of the self every time I comes up. Today, take a step back and label it as another thought. Mindfulness. Your experience. You experience the past as a thought in the present. You experience the future as a thought in the present. What do you notice in the here and now? Are you living in the present? Number 27, crop circles. Have you seen one? Been near one? They say they give off a certain kind of energy. You are being given signs and messages. Get more curious about what is trying to be communicated with you. Enjoy the now. Serendipity, number 18. Magical alignment is happening around you. Expect the unexpected. You are loved. The timing is perfect. You are being guided to where you're meant to go. Pay attention. Fourth chakra, heart chakra. Radiate warmth and sincerity. I am open to sharing, accepting, communicating, and connecting with others as I focus on this moment, not the past or the future. A smile, kind-hearted way of speaking, or a hug goes long ways towards uplifting others. I offer care and support where I can without rescuing. I nurture and respect my relationships. Angel of Strength, number 50. Now's not the time to be passive or submissive, but to speak your truth and take action. Don't fall into old patterns of giving your power away. Inner strength and unlimited resources flow through you at this time. 8 of Wands. Act on your gut instincts. Fiery, positive, inspirational energy is all around you. Face your desires head on. The Sun card. Pure joy, bliss, the Yes card. Things are unfolding beautifully. You are perfect and whole and loved. So find your shiny confidence. Your world is about to light up with opportunity and inspiration. Radiate who you are. Strengthen your body so your mind has a place to live when you attack your day. Action. Exercise outdoors if you can. The fresh air clears your head and the movement reawakens and strengthens your body. Smudging ceremony. Do you use sage and do smudging? Let go of the past. Purify and detox. Release whatever doesn't serve you or support you. Cleanse your body, environment. Make way for the new energy. The brilliance that pours through you can heal and help many people. Smudge yourself and home. Shapeshifter. You can be anything you desire. Let go of attachment to your identity and see the world around you with new eyes. See viewpoints of others. Your past does not equal your future. Sacred space number 26. Positive outcome, clarity, lucky attraction, and removing obstacles. Where do you love to retreat to? Visit there more often. Visiting there more often will keep your vibration high and your mind clear. Affirmation. I am clear. I am cleansed. My soul is whole and complete. Give yourself mind candy. Give yourself a thought treat like a piece of cake at a party. What is the most deliciously exquisite happy thing you can think of? What thought makes you smile? Bring that thought into your mind and bathe in the feeling for 5 to 10 minutes. The body reacts to positive thoughts with feel-good hormones, which help your body relax. If there was no risk involved, what would you do that is really dangerous? I trust my intuition and make aligned decisions. Giraffe, visionary. Rise above the earthly matters. Glide through life with grace. You are able to see the right path. Stand tall in your self-worth and love with a big heart. Giraffe is an elegant, powerful animal that bestows on you the gifts of friendship, grace, vision, and charm. And the quotes today. Go beyond the ordinary and become legendary. Today, I will love without conditions. Your ability to conquer challenges is limitless. Being beautiful has very little to do with how you look. If you don't like something, change it. If you can't change it, change the way you think about it. And the last one today. Sometimes the best way to help someone is to allow them to face the consequences of their actions. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.